I get worried when people in the commission say, you can prima your messages, but we'll find them. Iyandothusa lonto. Akho nto wrong ngalonto, but iyandothusa because we are going a little bit above. Sivusa namasela la sifuna uwabamba. So the commission must be strict about that. We cannot allow the collapse of national security. Kukwizinto ekufuneka singazazi. Singabantu nje. But they are within the law. We know today that policemen cannot just take your messages without acquiring permission of the judge. It is called 205. Angisho? But there are things we don't need to know. Ukutulisela and how you get to be intercepted. Isela funeka libanjwe. Umanyelwe le phone yalo. Lileqwe liyongena apho lingena khona. But we don't want to know how a thief's been listened to. Zimfihlo ze state ezo. Those are secrets of the state. We implore on the judge to protect the security of the state.